And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Michael, the FXFreedom, and this is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101, everybody. Hello to you. Yes, everybody, happy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, our last lesson of the week, right? Our last lesson of the week, everybody. Lynn says, hello boss, and everyone. Ernesto, could you please share the link? Telegram. Hi. Ernest says, hi everyone. Lynn says, have you sent it? Broto, hello Michael. Hello Lynn and Ernesto. Hi Broto, hi Broto. Lynn, do you have a Telegram account? What is your name? The Marsh and Clara. Hello everyone. Alright everybody. Just quickly. Next Saturday, March 25th, we have our last workshop of the month. And it's called How to Build a Strategy That Works for You. Alright, if you're interested, send me a Gmail or Skype, everybody. And never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way, everybody. Also, never forget that you're going to... Boss, the volume is low. Give me a second. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Alright everybody, give me a second. Boss, the volume is low. Alright, better. Alright, microphone. So you're going to graduate from this course, everybody, when number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. I mean your strategy. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. So today still we're working on number 3 predominantly, and today's topic is stop loss and take profit in support, resistance and pivot points, right? And for questions and homeworks, you have my Gmail contact, Skype, everybody, if you want, and you can follow me on YouTube, youtube.com/c/FXFreedomFX, and you can follow me on Instagram, FX Passion Freedom, so you can see where I go, what I do, right? The good life. Somebody says the good life, boss, but you have other channels on Instagram. Yes, I do, but next time. I don't have time, everybody. All right. Okay, everybody, now let's move forward. So stop loss and take profit in support or resistance at pivot points. Let's take Clara's yesterday example, right? We worked on GBP USD yesterday, and we did a great job yesterday with the understanding what is going to happen most likely, right? So this was the monthly chart, CHF JPY out. Weekly chart, this was then the daily chart, right? Alright, so it's support, resistance. Okay, everybody, let's give space to others too. Type in the chat, please, a currency pair that is giving you headaches. Okay? Meaning, type in the chat a currency pair that you don't understand why is waving in the way that is waving. Does this make sense to you? Clara said, oh, GBP USD is giving me a headache, but then Clara had the correct stop loss and correct take profit. And I said, Clara, why is this giving you a headache? And then it was a great lesson, thank you very much, Clara. So then we talked a little bit about psychology, right? That we have expectations and we suffer because of wrong expectations in the market. Everybody, did yesterday's lesson help you? Psychologically, emotionally? Technically too. So stop loss and take profit in support, resistance and pivot point. Shall I say, my honorable, great super boss? Hi sir. Hi Shola, how are you? Shola, we are waiting for the other 2 or 3 traders to finish the Forex Course concept, okay? And then we are going to join the group. And then we're going to start, Shola, okay? Be patient. Clara says yes, it helped. Okay, Shola, be patient. I'm going to wait for 2, 3 more just to finish the Forex Course 2019, 2020, and 2021. Everybody who is doing the concept, I know Ernesto is doing the concepts, right? Charting rules, charting concept, trading rules, trading concepts, golden nuggets. Yes, everybody, first comes, first is served. YouTubers first, right? Type in the chat a currency pairs that it's giving you headaches, you know? Yes, whatever time frame. Okay, so we're going to start with theory, right? So we learned about support, resistance, and pivot points. Okay, now support, resistance are not. Give me a second, everybody. So we learned about lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, support, bam, you know, and the market is going to react. Then we learned about hard highs, hard lows, hard highs, hard lows, bam, you know, and the market is going to react. And then we learned about the bullish and bearish. So let's take a bullish pivot point. It's going to react, it's going to break through, you know, and then it's going to retest before it gets up before. So here is the question, how should you... Ernesto is doing 2021 and Lynn is doing 2029. Alright, Shola, we're going to wait for them. Nobody is doing 2020? Nobody? Alright, everybody, we have one more spot left. Okay, first comes, first is served. Alright. I need a trader to help me to go to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page and re-watch all the lessons of 2022 and put in a PDF or Word document the charting concepts, charting rules, trading concepts, trading rules, and the golden nuggets. Okay, and any other whatever, you know, secrets, whatever. Alright, everybody? Okay, Shola finished with 2022. Alright, so we are waiting the others, and then we're going to start. I'm giving you the Forex course to 1 year for free. Alright? Yes, it's going to be in a group. Okay. Yes, whatever. Yes, you guys, you're going to start together. Okay. Yes, not a problem. You're going to talk between you guys and you're going to decide, alright? Okay, very good. What day, what hour, this is for further conversation, not a problem. Alright, no currency pair, so everybody, let's open what? Let's open GBP, we don't talk a lot about GBP CAD, right? Let's open GBP CAD. Let's open GBP CAD, everybody, 4-hour chart. GBP CAD 4-hour chart, and give me a second. Indicators out, GBP CAD 4-hour chart, and I'm going to clone chart. This is 1, this is 2. Clone chart out the Fibonacci we're going to learn in the future. Alright, everybody, GBP CAD 4-hour chart right now, long or short? Ernesto, AUD CAD. Alright, very good. So exit screen. Let's go to AUD CAD. AUD CAD. Ernesto, what time frame is making you headaches? What time frame? It's AUD CAD in general, or is there a time frame that it's making you headaches? Out this one, out this one. There you go. Out this one, out this one, out this one. This is from previous lessons. And give me a second, everybody. Out this one, out this one, out this one. All right, everybody, let's make a poll. 4 hour chart, 1 hour chart. Choose one time frame. All right, everybody, AUD CAD 4 hour chart. Should you buy, should you sell? Let's make a poll. Who in here wants to buy, who in here wants to sell? AUD CAD. Okay. Yes, on any time frame. Just be specific, you know, sell on the daily, buy on the weekly, buy on the monthly, sell on the 4 hour, whatever might be the case. All right. Boss, is the Fibonacci going to help me? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. Fibonacci in itself, it's a pattern and a tool that has a proven edge. Wow, great information, right? I'm trading short following all lessons. Think I did wrong timing entry 2 days ago short. All right, on what time frame? Ernesto, where is your stop loss? Where is your take profit? Where is your stop loss? Where is your take profit? All right, everybody, so this AUD CAD, exit screen. All right, let me see if I have anything on the monthly chart. Nothing. All right, excellent. Exit full screen, 4 hour chart, and we are going to full and clone chart and clone chart again and clone chart again. And this is going to be the monthly first, this is going to be the weekly the second, this is going to be the daily third, right? And all right, so out this one, out this one. This is from previous lessons. Out this one. Not sure about the market wave. We need to get out. This is from the 4 hour chart. Out the lines, out the lines. This is the weekly too. Out the lines, out. Give me a second, everybody. Out. All right, so this is the 4 hour chart, and Ernesto is saying 1 hour. All right, so we're going to go on the 1 hour chart and make it so black one is going to be the entry, something like this, entry and transparency. It coordinates. Entry was at 0.91336. Whoops, 0.9. Where did it go? One more time. 0.91336. Okay, this was the entry. Very good. And now we are going to have the stop loss is going to be in red, and the coordinates are 0.91. Ernesto, which one is the stop loss? Entry 0.9, stop loss 0.9191686. Okay, Ernesto, what pattern are you trading? everybody, what pattern are you trading, everybody? This stop loss, it's not in the right place. Okay, trading is a learnable skill. Right, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. Right? Ernesto, what pattern are you trading? See, Clara, trading is a learnable skill. And Jordanka and Julius and Chila, we learned about what is learning in the advanced course. Take profit 0.90606. So this is the 1 hour chart, right? 1 hour chart. And we learned about trend lines and counter trend lines. So this market was like this. All right, there you go. Ernesto, monthly 70% long, weekly 70% long, doing a retracement daily, short-term trend is down, but now it's crashing. Ernesto, I don't need your analysis. I need you to answer the question. What pattern did you trade? Everybody? Boss, why is the pattern relevant? Golden nugget from the 1800s, everybody. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Golden nugget, golden rule, $1 million rule, everybody, and I'm not joking. What makes the money is the appropriate use of the stop loss. If the stop loss is too tight, you are not going to make any money. I'm sorry to tell you, everybody, not just Ernesto. Make sense? Boss, can you repeat please? If the stop loss is too tight, you are not going to make any money. Why not? Because you must be lucky to get the market going your way. Fair enough? Talking about being fair, fair enough, everybody? Okay. If the stop loss is too far away, then you are getting into the situation that the market is going to give you money, but then it could reverse and go against you, and you could be locked in a trade for days, weeks, or months. Fair enough? Boss, but if the stop loss is too tight and the stop loss is too far away, what is the solution? We are trading patterns in the forex market. You must burn this into your head, everybody. Pen and paper right now. Write this down. I am trading patterns in the forex market. Every single time when I win and every single time when I lose, there was a pattern there. Sometimes it was on the trading time frame and I saw it. Sometimes was on the bigger time frame and I didn't see it. I was not aware. Hello, Julius. Sorry, market wave on the 1 hour, stop loss 0.92165. Alright, give it a second, and 0.92165. So the market wave on the 1 hour chart, right? Market wave on the 1 hour chart. Alright, everybody, let's check the market wave on the 1 hour chart. Give me a second. Out. Let's see if the market broke the market wave. Alright. I'm not sure if this is the extension. 1 hour. 1 hour, right? Yeah, it's have more highs or hard highs, hard lows. Right? More hard highs, hard lows. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. lower low, lower high. All right, so it's here. Lower low, lower high, and then lower low. All right. Okay, on the 1 hour chart, everybody, 1 hour chart, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Give me a second. Extension, and there we go. Deep retracement, and the market broke the market wave, so it went up, right? Hard highs, hard lows, hard highs, hard lows, and then it went down. So starting from here, AUD cat, extension, retracement. Give me a second, everybody. Extension, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, 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 extension, retracement, extension, higher high, higher low, extension, retracement, extension, extension, retracement, extension. There you go. Stop loss might be at 0.91. No. Market wave stop loss it at 0.92. Alright, everybody? Ernesto, why is this pair making you headaches? Everybody, this is a skill. Make sense? What is the skill, boss? If you enter in the correct way, and if your stop loss is in the correct way, and your take profit is not in the right place, right, then let the market do what it wants to do. Make sense, everybody? Boss, give us an example. You are trading the down market wave, right? And the market was retracing hard highs, hard lows, hard highs, hard lows, hard highs, hard lows, you know, and then it's kind of, you know, it's going to reverse something and something like this and something like this, you know, and everything is beautiful, right? You enter the market and then the game starts. The emotional game starts. You put the stop loss in the correct place, right? You put the take profit in the correct place, right? Is my stop loss in the correct place, everybody? Is the stop loss in the correct place? Type in the chat, yes, the stop loss is in the correct place, or type in the chat, no, the stop loss is not in the correct place. I entered the counter trailing break, but the wrong time, I guess. In moved about 50 pips my favor, and now it's pushing up again. Everybody, do you see? Yesterday was Clara example, today it's Ernesto. Do you see Ernesto and Clara suffering from the same thing? Can you see it, everybody? You know, Ernesto is saying the similar thing to that Clara. Oh, the market wait in my, you know, and then the market reversed. This is normal, everybody. You must align your expectations. Yes, however, before, if you make it 10 pips above from there, sorry, I didn't understand. Alright, so the stop loss is in the correct place, extension, retracement, extension, right? And now, Ernesto and everybody, listen to me. When you enter the market with the great plan, alright? Now then the game starts, okay? And it's called you. The game is between you and you, everybody. The game it's not between you and the market. The game it's between you and you. Okay? Boss, what game? From your beautiful entry. and from your great expectations that, oh, this market is going to fall, this is my plan, risk reward ratio, all beautiful, right? And then this happens, you know, the non-tradable chaos happens for you, you know, and the market is playing with your emotions, right? You know, the market goes down, you are happy, but then it makes a higher high and you are stressed, and then the market goes down making a lower low and you get all hopeful, oh, you know, it's a winner, and then the market reverses again, gets a higher high, you know, and you think, oh, the market is playing around with me, right? So here is the beginner trader trying to understand that all of this is normal, you know, and from this pattern then is going to be another sucker, you know, that is going to do something like this, you know, it's going to start to make, you know, you have your heart palpitations and the dreams broken, lower low, but then higher high, you know, and then finally, you know, it's you know, it's releasing the tension, oh, it's making, you know, it's making lower highs, but oh my gosh, why it's making higher lows, you know, and finally, you know, finally the market gets in something that you can understand, which is consolidation, right? And you are saying to yourself, oh, at least it's not moving up anymore, you know, at least it's not moving up against me. And once the consolidation is over, the market goes into a deeper retracements, and all your dreams come to an end, you know, and you are start saying to it, this game, golden nugget today, this game is between you and you. The market, it's not playing around with us, we are playing around with us, okay? So the market goes here, you know, and now I start to think as a beginner trader, oh, the market is going to stop me anyway. So here is me being smart, and I said, oh, I have enough of this game, I cannot sustain anymore the emotional pain, and I manually close the trade, okay? Everybody in here, and I have a camera in all of your homes, everybody in here, you know, who is suffering from this, I know for sure that you are closing the trades manually. You don't let the market stop you out on the pattern, okay? Boss, I do. Well, maybe if you are not in front of the trading station, maybe if you are sleeping or walking your dogs, you do, but otherwise you are not emotionally strong enough to sustain this pressure. And as soon as you close the trade, what happens then? Finally the market goes your way. How many of you, everybody, and I mean everybody, can relate to this? How many of you can relate to this? And here is the golden nugget. I've been telling you, some of you would not listen. I'm not talking to the beginner trader who is here for 2 months, 3 months. I'm talking to the guys and girls who are in the markets for more than 1 year. Come to the advanced course. Come to the advanced course. You are not going to win this game without the appropriate knowledge. Come to the advanced course. Alright? See, everybody, all the strategies and the charting software and the auto Fibonacci's and the JP Morgan Chain's unicorn robots are not going to help you. you must understand that we are doing this to ourselves. This is the plan. I entered the market, but then everything and anything is going to happen just but not what I expected. Make sense? And the more time passes and the more I get hopeful. So the more I hope, every single time the market goes down, I hope, oh, it's now the time that I'm going to win. And the market goes against me, and oh my gosh, it's against me, The more time passes, the more emotionally I get exhausted. And this is why I manually close the trade. But as soon as I close the trade, man, the market goes my way. Some students in the advanced course fight the fact that we are doing this to ourselves. No, I'm not. The market is playing around with me. The market doesn't care about you. The market, it's not personal. The market doesn't care how smart you are, what college degree, or you might not have any degrees. The market don't care how young or old you might be, where you live, what race, color. The market doesn't care. Everybody, we are doing this to ourselves. Julius, it's true, boss. All this happened to me. I'm having a big emotional issues, waiting many days to see a position unfold any direction. Desert Island, also closing winning trades thinking they will reverse. Sure. Okay. So if trading is a skill, what is the lesson here? Type in the chat, everybody. If trading is a learnable skill, what is the lesson in here? What do you think? What is the lesson here? And everybody, try not to be to type something that relates to you. Makes sense? Don't type just, oh, boss, the lesson is the market can do what it wants. We know, you know this. You know the concepts, right? Make sense, everybody? What is the lesson in here? No, there is no right or wrong. In your own words. In your own words. Well, this, I'm not going to tell you in here, but the how to build a strategy that works for you is going to answer to some of the questions, right? How come I have the FXFreedom strategy and I'm not making any money out of it? And Michael does, right? All right, everybody? Jordanka, follow your strategy. Ernesto, follow the rules. Well, those are concepts, right? But you know, I don't know how to explain to you this, everybody. You know the rule that, oh, just follow the strategy, but you still close the trade manually. You know that you should follow the rules, but you still close the trade manually. Clara, having the right mindset and trust the process and the strategy. Clara went a little bit deeper. She's talking about mindset, right? Lean, patience, and be aware of Xbox hidden camera. This is the one I've been looking for. Very good. Alright. So Forex Course 101 lesson. If I have my stop loss in the correct place and I have my take profit in the correct place, I should not close the trade. Why not? Because I didn't do, technically, I didn't do anything wrong. Shola, for your risk management and allow market to do what it wants. So again, right, easy to say, more difficult to do. If any of you want to participate in a Telegram group, please send your Telegram user so I can find you and add you to the group. Thank you very much, Ernesto. Everybody feel free to put in the chat your Telegram user. Okay, so Ernesto can find you and add you to the group. So everybody, all of you are correct. Those are great concepts, right? Okay. And again, expectation is one, right? Okay, expectation is one. Boss, help me with expectations. Everybody, I can tell you about expectations, but you are not going to like it. Should we do the test? I can help you in a second, but I'm telling you, you are not going to like my answer. Why not, boss? It's too soon for the beginner trader to understand. Should we do the test, everybody, right now? Me and all of you? I can help you with your expectation in a second, but you are not going to like the answer. Why not, boss? Because I would not. As a matter of fact, I did not like the answer when my mentor told me we are all the same. Desert Island, think about position size so it doesn't get scared near stop. Expectation is still not going to solve the problem. Yes, yes, boss, yes, yes, boss, yes, please. Is anybody here that doesn't want to do the test? I'm going to line your expectation in a second, but you are not going to like the answer. And number two, there is a premise. What is the premise? That you are 100% honest with yourself online when somebody else is going to see your answer. Make sense, everybody? So, one premise and one opinion. My opinion is that you are not going to like the answer, and the premise must be that you are going to be 100% honest with yourself. Because you might not type in the chat what you really think and feel. Because, oh, what are the others going to think about me? Let's do it. Alright, everybody, type in the chat. Are you here in this Dukascopy webinars, Forex course 101, whatever, professional trader course, to make money? Type in the chat, yes or no. Boss, what's the question? Are you here because of the money? Are you here to make money? Are you here in the Dukascopy webinars to make money, to learn how to make money? Are you studying the Professional Forex Trader Course 101 because of the money? You want to make money, you want to learn money. Broto says yes. Julius, boss, you know why I like the way you teach? It's because I am beginning to understand everything you are teaching me. Sure, a losing trade is as important as winning trade. We are learning how to trade. Losing is part of the game. Shola, this is too technical, make sense? We know the concepts, but we still close the trade. You know? Broto says yes. Clara says yes. Come on, everybody. 50-50. Well, if you are not here for the money, what are you doing here? Everybody, my life is not going to change, but don't lie to yourself. Alright? Somebody's typing on the other, of course I'm here for the money. Of course. I agree with you. Yes, to pay for the advanced course. Are you here for the money, everybody? Ernesto, to change my lifestyle, have more freedom to share with my son and daughter, live from something else than my actual job, retire from actual job, and leave something to my kids. All of this is summarized in money, Ernesto. You might as well type, yes, I'm here for the money. Yes and no, because investing time to learn now. Wisdom is sharing, Ernesto. Alright, everybody. So here is the, if you are here for the money, alright, you come to the trading table not to have fun. You came to the trading table not to play around. You came to the trading table because you saw a chance for yourself to make money, right? And this word, making money, could be symbolized a new Lambo, a dream house, freedom from a job, whatever it might be the case. You came to the trading table and those webinars, those streams, because you see a chance to improve your life in any way. Okay, but this improvement requires money. Do we agree, everybody? You are not here, oh, I'm going to join Dukascopy webinar just to learn, Not true. Don't lie to yourself. Boss, how do I know that I'm lying? Because we are all the same. We are here because of the money. True or true? I'm not going to say not even true or not true. True or true? Nobody comes to the Forex course 101 just to, let's learn a new knowledge, Good intention behind the learning the new knowledge is the motivation. What is the motivation? Money is the motivation. Yes. Of course, boss, but at the end, money is the end result. Big psychological block for many. Okay, everybody? So if we agree that we are here because of the money, and that's okay, that's alright. This expectation, it's making us to close the trade manually. These expectations. Okay? Now, money, I'm going to give you a quote, everybody, that you should work on yourself. Alright? Okay? Now, money. Now, so boss, what is the news? The bad news, so the answer that you are not going to like is that most likely 90% are not going to fully understand. The 90% are not going to understand emotionally the concept. It's the rule, right? It's a rule. What's the rule, boss? Money is a consequence. Money is a consequence of a well executed strategy. Of course, that has an edge. Oh, I understand this. Maybe intellectually, but not emotionally. So you are not going to like. What is not to like? Number one, that you are here for the money and you are telling yourself that you are not. Number two, you are not going to like what? That you are emotional when you trade. You are worried about the money. You are closing the trade prematurely because of the money. And you are not going to emotionally understand the rule, not intellectually. It is just a quote. but money is a consequence of a well-executed strategy. Money, it's not the reason to enter the market. Well-executed strategy. And the first part of the advanced course, it's all about this one. How to fight, how to understand, how to think in the correct way. Mark Douglas, no, this is mine. This is not Mark Douglas, this is FXFreedom. Alright, Island, this is not Mark Douglas, this is me. Mark Douglas is good, but he's teaching other stuff. Okay, this quote is mine, copyright. Money is a consequence of a well-executed strategy. Copyright by FXFreedom, not Mark Douglas. So, boss, I understand this. If I understand that money is a consequence, meaning if I execute the strategy in the right way and I close the trade manually, am I respecting this rule? What's the answer, yes or no? What's the answer? After this class, some of you are going to trade, and tomorrow it's Friday, some of you are going to trade, and you are going to have the same beautiful opportunity, and you are going to enter, and this opportunity is not going to turn out as you expected, and you are going to mess with the trade in some way. When you mess in some way with the trade, are you following the rule? No, exactly. Ernesto is saying, no, I'm not respecting the rule. Clara says no. Okay, everybody? Every single time that you close the trade manually, every single time that you mess with your trade in any way, you are closing the trade or you are taking small profits, you are bothering with the money, which is alright. Okay, it's alright. Boss, what do you mean it's alright? It means that, we are human, makes sense? We are human and we need to work on this one, and it's going to take some time. Okay, I give my strategy for free. My strategy has a proven edge, but beginner trader is not going to make a cent out of my strategy. Why not? Because a beginner trader, and it's bothering with the money. I want to make money, I'm losing money, I'm right and I'm wrong. A good day, it's a day that I made money. A bad day, I'm kicking the dog, it's when I lost money. When in this business, money is a consequence of a well-executed strategy. Money, it's not the reason to enter the market. And this is when you hear countless times talking about follow the process, follow the process, follow the process. And me joking with you, don't trade for money. This is the one. What is the process? I entered in the correct way, stop loss in the correct way, take profit in the correct way, and I don't care what is going to happen in between. Boss, that's difficult. Sure. That's why 90% of people lose. Alright? I have in my group doctors, you might not believe, I don't care. I have in my group students, private students. I have doctors, lawyers, movie stars, bankers, pizza men, entrepreneurs, and I have a quantum physicist, how I say in English. Okay? and most of them are not making it as a trader. The grand majority, they are not making it, and this is still the block. Boss, what is the solution then? Come to the Forex course 202. You know, you can ask Clara, you can ask Jordanka, you can ask Chila, you can ask Julius. They are in here every single day. Talk to the guys. Connect with them, you know, call them, connect with them, ask questions. It's a community. Alright? I'm working around my strategy to start working on respecting my rules. See everybody, you are not getting it. Think clever people get bored with the mundane process. Sure. Exactly. You know? Sometimes they get bored, you know, whatever. Anyways, everybody, this is the expectation. Make sense? In conclusion, what is a good trading day? Type in the chat, everybody, what is a good trading day? What do you think? Let's have some fun, right? This is our last class of the week. What is a good trading day? Type in the chat. What is a good trading day for you? There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. Those are opinions, right? You must get expectations in line. See everybody? Let's get your expectations in line. Do not expect to become consistently profitable in the first year. Focus on the process of learning instead. Learn about how this market works first. Then move to become the successful trader you always wanted to be. So every single, now this is the part that you are not going to like to hear. Everybody, every single time that I'm doing this, I'm not learning on how this market works. Desert Island, no bad surprise. A day that you see your strategy playing out well. This is the first time since I started learning trading that can put many things in order to create a plan. You are getting close, everybody, but no. Talking about trading, right? You are getting close. Okay. Boss, tell us. No, I'm not going to tell you. Okay, it's too soon. Make sense? But you got the answer already. It's in here. Boss, what is a good trading day? You have the answer in this lesson. You have this, and we get away from the title, right? Stop loss and take profit in support, resistance, pivot points. Alright. I'm going to tell you on Monday. Even if the market did not go my way, it's a good trading day. Wow, Julius is getting near. Julius is getting near. Everybody, the financial markets are upside down in so many ways, I cannot tell you. They are not logical. Make sense? What about support and stop loss? Yeah, we are without time. Trade management, one that makes you laugh. A good trading day is one that makes you laugh. Maybe, you know, why not? The answer is related to the money, everybody. A good trading day is if money is a consequence of a well executed strategy. Alright, let me give you the answer with the, hopefully I'm going to pronounce correctly in English, with the anecdote. Okay. Does this exist, this word in English? Anecdote? Okay, so if you followed your strategy to the teeth and you lost 5 trades, was this a good trading day for you? This question gives you the answer. If you followed your strategy to the teeth and you lost 5 trades, loser, 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 was this a good trading day for you? Anecdote, thank you very much. Is that they understand why I lose or why I win? Could be, very good. Good answer, Shola. If you followed your strategy to the teeth and you got 5 losers, was this a good trading day for you? Boss, I don't get it. Come to the advanced course or talk to Clara or Julius or Jordanka or Chila. Okay? This business is not what you think it is. This business doesn't work in the traditional sense. Whatever you've done and believed and behaved in the past from the traditional businesses in the financial markets doesn't work. Give yourself a point every time you follow your strategy. Yes, sir. Yes, because I have an edge and I know it will make it eventually. Wow, very good. Alright, everybody, have a great weekend. See you back on Monday. Okay, and don't forget, this is our last workshop in March. Next Saturday, on Saturday, this is full. Okay, 18 is full, no more places. Next Saturday we have how to build a strategy that works for you. Until Monday, stay strong, and now you know it. Don't trade for money, trade for freedom. This is FX Freedom signing off.